Gentlemen, we would be shortly commencing the sixth session of the General Convocation 2020 of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University. We are awaiting the arrival of the Vice-Chancellor of KDU, followed by the Chancellor of KDU. In this unfolding session, ladies and gentlemen, we would be privileged to observe the awarding of degrees to 200 and more graduates of the Faculty of Graduate Studies and the Faculty of Medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are witnessing right now, it is the arrival of Major General Milinda Pires, RWP, RSP, VSV, USP, NDC, PSC, MPhil, PGDM, the Vice-Chancellor of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University. Shortly, ladies and gentlemen, we would be witnessing the arrival of the Chancellor of KDU. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment of the arrival of General Jerry De Silva, RWP, VSV, USP, the Chancellor of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University, and he is being received by the Vice Chancellor of KDU. It is customary that the Chancellor presides over the general convocation, endorsing the traditions of the Defence University that nurtures our journey to the times ahead of others. Siya Ratatamai Kavadat, meaning for the motherland forever. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the Chancellor, clad by the Vice Chancellor, on the aisle of the red carpet, amidst the sounds of the Magul Bera and the traditional Sri Lankan Kandyan dances that bring the officials to the main hall for today's proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, may we all rise from our seats as the graduates and the staff procession enters the main assembly hall in slow rhythm, followed by the Chancellor's procession. As you are witnessing inside the hall, the procession is entering on the red aisle. Very shortly, ladies and gentlemen, the staff procession and the Chancellor's procession will proceed to the main stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the Chancellor of General Sir John Kothawala Defence University,
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain standing to observe a minute of silence in memory of war heroes who made supreme sacrifice in order to protect the sovereignty and the territorial integrity of our motherland. Thank you. Please be seated.
I declare session 6 of the convocation open for the conferment of degrees.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kothawala Defense University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Master of Laws be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean, Faculty of Graduate Studies.
PBN Fernando. GKSK Samaratunga. HSD Mendis. SS Varnakola Surya. CD Manakkar. RM AJ Rajanayaka. HM DC Herath. HM AI Uduverella. WN De Silva. DC DA Disanayak. DMS Disanayak. HJMHP Jayasingha. MD MP Disanayak. BVN Priyadarshani. HRC Samant. IMKE Abhenayak. DMAN Danasurya. LG Punchiheva. R Kuruppu. DSP Dharmapala. TGSA Pereira. In absentia, DM CM Danasurya, KLSD Lienage, DA Hennayaka, AIP De Silva.
By the authority vested in me as Chancellor of General Sir John Kotalawala Defence University, I confer the degree of Master of Laws upon those presented to me by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kotalawala Defence University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Master of Science in Management be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
N. Mallikarachchi. C. D. Ramukkana. L. A. D. T. Shamendra. M. D. S. N. Manatunga. H. W. R. Chandima. R. M. G. Ratnayaka. W. L. A. C. Pereira. K. U. S. Alvis. M. A. D. D. M. Piyathilaka. R. M. C. J. K. Ratnayaka. S. D. K. W. M. M. I. Valivita. H. H. K. S. S. Hevage. W. 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 M. I. Pereira. R. S. C. Disanayaka. In absentia, P. D. T. Rodrigo, Yusuf Rashid, S. J. Kumar.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of General Sir John Kuthalawala Defence University, I confer the degree of Master of Science in Management upon those presented to me by the Dean, Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kuthalawala Defence University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Master of Business Administration in Logistic Management be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean, Faculty of Graduate Studies.
D. A. K. Disanayaka. D. R. N. Tevara Peruma. HDAN Hettige. GTRT Ruberu. PN Godallavath. LHR Reshan. MD Vijay Sundar. PJP Gamage. SHC Prasad. HPK Nanayakkar. DJ SR Tilakaratna. EMW Bandar. RMSP Ratnayaka. SM Gunasekara. NDN Nanayakkar. RMT Rajapaksha. BMUB Basnaik. SH Brahmana.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of General Sir John Kutalavala Defense University, I confer the degree of Master of Business Administration in Logistics Management upon those present to me by the Dean, Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kothalavala Defense University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Master of Business Administration in E-Governance be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean, Faculty of Graduate Studies.
KGSNK Ranjit. BJ JP Kure. KNP Kumarasinghe. In absentia, KPN Kurukula Surya, WADG Atukorala, Fatima Musa.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of General Sir John Kuthalawala Defence University, I confer the degree of Master of Business Administration in E-Governance upon those presented to me by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kothalawala Defence University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the postgraduate diploma in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
KVA Kodikar. LD JD Jayasekara. BWMJA Premadas. PALN Pinnavala. JMDK Madhuchandra. DMA CDP Abhay Vikrama.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the General Sir John Kothalawala Defence University, I confer the postgraduate diploma in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering upon those presented to me by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kothalawala Defence University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the postgraduate diploma in management and postgraduate diploma in logistic management be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
LAIK Lanka. MMSDS Dharmadasa. DKSD Pereira. HMUI Samarkand. DBRD Ruanpura. ARG Rodrigo. HMDB Hinkend. URND Bandar. RMSR Aryasena. In absentia, KKC Udayanga.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of General Sir John Kuthalawala Defence University, I confer the postgraduate diploma in management and postgraduate diploma in logistics management upon those presented to me by the Dean Faculty of Graduate Studies.
Chancellor, I have the honor to announce that the Board of Management of General Sir John Kothalawala Defence University, on the recommendation of the Senate, has resolved that the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery be conferred on those to be presented by the Dean Faculty of Medicine.
KMMT Ranasinghe. AASD Pereira. SMPPD Patirana. AZ Suhail. DL Senadhir. JAUS Jayasinghe. KPBS Vaidyathilaka. JLPG Hasarangi. A. Inayat. LADG Chandrasiri. CVB Grero. PPM Darshika. WSS Vijayaratna. RAS Vijay Singh. KYB Pereira. BMAR Mendis. EATC Amaratunga. WACN Vijay Surya. DC Ranasinghe. BAM Sasankani. MHS Silva. LL Sirivardhana. UMR MU Kumari. PSDE Kodituakku. S. Sivayanam. KKSL Piyaratna. DD Gunawardana. DG Pereira. KA Senarath. TMPVB Tennakon. KLS Nishamali. BMM Fernando. LM Lawrence. MASN Munasinghe. PHTN Pereira. PADY Pereira. NPHS Kalashini. NT Senadira. ADK Indivari. LPRS Navagamuwa. ADSK Disanayaka. GPC Surya Bandara. MAUS Mudannayaka. RTHN Ranavaka. GHDNL Gunaratna. MN Pereira. MPS Rasara. A. Assa. ISS මහගමගේ FHM සනීර් WMSP වනිගසිංහ HKSU වනිගසුන්දර S කරුණානායක RMKN රත්නායක CS Gomez K Dulakshi LRM Madhumali MSG Pereira JM Nafas FHZ Azad S Tinushka PTM Atale TU Gunawardana ACN Piris WLJ Prasantika TMR Ratnayaka BP Veeraratna WS Ossington AADP Gunawardana FS Amani JKSL Sirishanta H.A.K. Ranoj. K.A.H.A.A. Banagala. D.M.S.K. Disanayaka. P.D.D.H. Disanayaka. H.D.S. Piris. P. Jayaraman. A.S.M.B.O. Hoerat. M.K.H.D.S. Jayawardena. T.B.U. Ekanayaka. H.M.T. Sachinta. A.W.T. Sandaruwan. H.M.V.P.S. Herat. S.S.S. Pereira. N. Puvanendran. V. Kishantahi. L.D.M. Piris. D.A.S. Sanatani. S.M.A. Gayantika. H.A. Hassani. S.M.D.P.A. Senaratna. T.S. Randombage. CL Samaradiwakar. SN Gamage. GM Jayasinghe. MNA De Silva. BNSD Fernando. NH Mendes. WMUA Vijayaratna. GHDS Dilshani. SC Veerasekar. MM Masna. JRHK Jayawardena. DK Liyanage. DMSJH Disanayaka. MLDSD De Silva. T. Kajan. PD Rupasinghe. ADKUV Kularatna. MRAC Bandara. LPDH Karunatilaka. BATB Chandrasiri. DI Aturugiriya. GHTU Dayanand. BKW Kanchanamala. TN Munasinghe. MD Hansini. MD SP Vijayasuriya. MNC De Silva. KMAS Fernando. ISU Patirana. TM Gunasekara. HGTS Karunatilaka. In absentia, CA Vavalarachi, R. Tarshika, A. Meeson, A. Wahid, ND Nandavira, A. M. Said, A. R. Ibrahim, N. Ali, M. L. S. Fernando, G. A. N. L. S. Silva, A. M. Halim, P. Sundaran.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of General Sir John Kotalawala Defence University, I confer the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery upon those presented to me by the Dean Faculty of Medicine.
Chancellor, I have the honor to invite you to give away the awards to those who have achieved the highest standard of excellence in Intake 32, to be presented by the Dean, Faculty of Defense and Strategic Studies.
Trophy for the Best Student Officer in Leadership Studies awarded by Air Vice Marshal P.M. Fernando, VSV PSC, awarded to Flying Officer JLPG Hasarangi. Gold Medal for Anatomy, Gold Medal for Biochemistry, awarded by the KDU, awarded to RAS Vijay Singha. Gold medal for oral best performance at the second MBBS examination academic awarded by the KDU, awarded to RAS Vijay Singha. Gold medal for physiology awarded by the KDU, jointly awarded to RAS Vijay Singha and A. Inayat. Gold medal for pathology, gold medal for pediatrics, awarded by the KDU, awarded to Second Lieutenant AHCK Veerakon. Gold medal for oral best performance at the final MBBS examination academic, awarded by the KDU, awarded to Second Lieutenant AHCJ Veerakon. Brigadier Dr. M.H.D. Soisa Memorial Gold Medal for Surgery, awarded by Dr. Nandrani S.D. Soisa, awarded to Second Lieutenant A.H.C.J. Veerakon. Professor M.H.A. Aryaratna Gold Medal for overall best performance at the final MBBS examination cumulative awarded by the Professor M.H.J. Aryaratna in memory of his parents, Mr. M.H. Henry Aryaratna and Mrs. N.A. Leela Aryaratna, awarded to Second Lieutenant A.H.C.J. Veerakon. Gold Medal for Psychiatry awarded by the KDU, awarded to F.A. Asmir. Gold Medal for Medicine awarded by Professor Namal Vijay in memory of his parents, Dr. Tejasri Vijay and Mrs. Kamala Vijay, awarded to F.A. Asmir. Gold Medal for Obstetrics and Gynecology, awarded by the KDU, awarded to W.S.T. Fernando. Award in absentia. Gold Medal for Parasitology awarded by the KDU, awarded to Second Lieutenant C.A. Vavalarachi.
Chancellor, I have the honor to invite you to deliver the convocation address.
Vice Chancellor General Milinda Peiris, distinguished invitees, academic and military staff, parents and graduates who received their degrees today, ladies and gentlemen, a good evening to all of you. I am privileged to be addressing you on this momentous occasion, the convocation of the General Sir John Kothalavala Defence University, which confers master's and bachelor's degrees on civilian undergraduates in the various disciplines catered to, together with their military counterparts. The KDU has built a reputation of being recognized as the first choice among school leavers. seeking opportunities of higher education in the array of many disciplines available to them. As such, the KDU has been reputed to be a premier institution of higher education. The KDU is unique in the sense that it caters to military and civilian, multi-ethnic and multinational undergraduates to follow degree awarding courses of training in the disciplines of their choice in a disciplined environment. In keeping with its traditions, vision, mission, and objectives, this seat of learning maintains the highest standards of academic brilliance expected of such an institution. In addition, all undergraduates have the opportunity to indulge in efficiently organized extracurricular activities, as all undergraduates are encouraged to do so, such as in sports and many other avenues, with the aim of inculcating appropriate personality and leadership traits, so essential in character building, required to enhance their contribution to the nation building process and sustain development. I have no doubt that the officers, cadets, and day scholars graduated today will serve the nation valiantly and with great commitment as their predecessors have done. They will, I am sure, reflect on their decision of reading for their degrees at the KDU with great pride and satisfaction. Your contribution to the military, private, and public sectors, and most of all to the nation in general, will naturally contribute to the image and role of this hallowed seat of learning in the nation building process. As responsible professionals do, focus on updating the knowledge and skills that you have been inculcated with, and strive to maintain the unshakable principles and time-tested traditions that have been ingrained into your psyche with a balanced sense of values, which are invaluable to maintain your good standing throughout your chosen careers. Have faith in what you have learned at the KDU as you step out into the world of the unknown. These principles will form the basis of all actions expected of you. Learn to select what is right. Believe in your abilities to handle difficult situations. Apply the operating procedures as taught, and maybe even modify them intelligently to meet with the challenges you are faced with. Most of these successful traits will grow with experience. Believe in yourself and your team, which you are part of and have trained with and will train with in the future. Speculate on the best possible avenue of approach to all challenges. Never give up. Have the courage of your convictions and stick by the decisions made through thick and thin. Perseverance will bring success. Never throw in the towel. As you leave this institution today, do not neglect to maintain your bonds of fraternity. It will bring you great satisfaction. Be able to interact with each other throughout life, especially when you're old and gray in retirement. I can vouch for it. We are beneficiaries of the largesse of one of the greatest patriots of our history, the Right Honorable General Sir John Kutulawala, who was one of the greatest of our great personalities. Few have achieved what Sir John achieved in his lifetime. A man blessed with varied characteristics. He was a popular politician, gentleman, accomplished soldier, colonial Paka Sahib, and freedom fighter. He was also a great patriot and benefactor who has left his indelible mark in Sri Lankan history. He was frank, forthright, and outspoken. He had absolute faith in himself, a quality he inherited from his father, John Kotolavala Sr. Sir John was a stickler for managing time, a characteristic he adopted from the discipline required of a soldier. Sir John, he applied these work ethics and discipline to the many attributes of civilian life he was constrained to perform and naturally excelled in. He attained the highest rank bestowed by the British on the local subject population, a colonel in His Majesty's Armed Forces, commanding his unit, the Ceylon Light Infantry. Beneath his tough exterior, he was a kind-hearted and generous statesman. Even in civilian life, he ingrained in the psyche of his co-workers many military traits and maintained an immaculate military bearing at all times. Being a great philanthropist, a trait he practiced not only in Ceylon, he exhibited this vibrant characteristic even in England as a popular and lovable country squire in the village mansion and estate he lived in Kent. The KDU has benefited through his largesse, the magnificent estate, a living legacy bequeathed magnanimously for a defense academy. At the KDU, degrees cannot be obtained by academic acumen alone. Skills required in the defense services are vital factors that will determine whether a student is worthy of a degree in defense studies. All-round discipline and appropriate training are vital factors in the university education. This is in concert with the long-term objective of affording a high degree of professionalism in military officers and also to inculcate in their minds the requisite mindset to mold national leaders. I earnestly request all students to be true to the ideals and mission of the KDU and to prove your mettle in your respective careers. As your predecessors have done in the lifestyles expected of them, even in the battlefields during the confrontations in the Northeast War against Tamil militancy, some of whom have been conferred with gallantry awards for gallantry in battle in the face of the enemy, done voluntarily and selflessly to maintain the military aim with the noble intention of safeguarding the unity, territorial integrity and sovereignty of the beloved motherland. I extend my profound thanks to the Vice Chancellor, General Milinda Peris, a gallant and battle-hardened veteran of war, and who has been injured in battle, who has been brought back to the military mainstream by His Excellency the President with the specific aim of elevating the excellence of the KDU. He had completed an eventful and successful term of 7 years, the longest ever by any military officer as Vice Chancellor, for his exemplary leadership and management of the affairs of the KDU. I applaud him for his dedication and devotion to duty and his great achievements we are fortunate to be blessed with for a further term in office. He had molded together brilliant civilian, academic and military staff who have maintained the highest standards required of an university. We have no hesitation in acknowledging their great contribution and work ethics. Truly a fitting tribute to the memory of the Right Honorable Sir John Kotolavala. Finally, I congratulate the young graduates while wishing them all success in their chosen careers, which inevitably would contribute to the progress and prosperity and sustained development of our beloved Sri Lanka. For the motherland forever. Thank you. I declare session 6 of the convocation closed.
Sri Lanka Mata, Upper Sri Lanka, Namo, 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 Namo Mata. Sundara Siri Barini, Surandi Ati Sobhamana Lanka. Danya Danaya Dekamal Palaturu Biri Jaya Bhumiya Ramya. Apahat Sapa Siri Sita Sadhana, Jeevanaye Mata. Tiriganu Mena Apavakti Puja, Namo Namo Mata. Apa Sri Lanka, Namo 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 Mata. Obave apa vidya, Obamaya apa satya, Obave apa shakti, apa hada tula bhakti.